What is up? You know, we back with it again, babies. But I might sound a little sick, but that's fine, that's fine. I'm gonna get a little bird, that's fine, that's on period. But anyways, we finna play some games, some roleplays. Let's get into it. So last video, as y'all know, I was playing Brawl. He said Brawl. I'm guessing that's how you say it. But I was playing Brawl too. And I ain't gonna lie, I got beat up a lot. But we get back into it, and we just might, after I finish playing some more Roblox game, you might go back to the game and play it again. That's on period. But let's get straight into this video. Let's get it. So the game we're gonna be playing today is Rope People Simulator, and that's on period. Period. Okay, I'm talking extra. But anyways, let's get to it. Let's get into it. Okay, let me stop. Stop for real. Okay, I'm stop. But let's get straight into this video. Let's go, period. Dang, we just joined the game. It's like dead already. Okay, we playing like that one. Let's do it. Let's get some people that playing with them. Period. Come on, let's get it. Come on, little mammies. We play for you. What? She's with spies. No. See, I could never just win. Never. Like, thank you. Thank you. Period. But she's mine. Period. Okay, but she wanna do that one. Okay. But I ain't gonna lie. What she doing? I'm chasing you. See, some of these they just be doing stuff because they just want to, like. Why can't I just never win a game, like, for once? Like, come on now. For once. Like, chill. Leave me alone. Can you help me, please? Help me. Am I lagging? I'm lagging. No. You're going lagging. I'm lagging, y'all. Hold on. I'm over here straight up lagging, like, what? And yeah, make sure y'all go follow my Roblox account. Period. Let's get into it. Stop. Just do the video. But go follow my TikTok too at oh, not too much. I forgot. Okay, I'm all of them gonna be linked in the description box below, and that's on period. Stop it. Let's do this, baby. I might do a face reveal when, like, maybe I get when I get 2,000 followers and likes. Stop. Somebody trying to get me. I know somebody trying to get me. Wait. I just knew it. I know it. Somebody was trying to get me. I know I'm pretty at all, but like, you don't gotta do that. You don't, sweetheart. Get her to me. She mine. Come here, mamas. Stop playing. She's mine, baby. She's mine. Come on, sweetheart. Wow. Yeah, like, what did I do to you? Thank you. Oh yeah, now it's on, baby girl. It's on, sweetheart. Oh nah, so you trying to get me over here, whatever. But ain't gonna happen. She trying to get me, y'all. Oh, she trying to get me. Thank you. Yes, thank you. But she was mine, though. She was mine. But you can have her. Why am I lagging so hard? Like, I feel like somebody trying to get me. I'm scared. Hold on. I suck at this game. No cap. But I suck at this game. Y'all, I'm not gonna say that because I know I do. I know I do. I know I do. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting that money. That's on period. Y'all folks, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Who to try to get me? Somebody try to get me. Come on. Oh, let's get her. Whoever this is. Come on. Come on, OGG. How you do this? Hold on. Hold on. She was mine. Come on, yo. Don't do that. She was mine, yo. Don't do that. Let him go. Oh, child, you better not try to get me because I saved your life. Let's go. Let's still kill her. Let's get her. Wait, how you? Get her. Oh, nah, baby girl, you ain't finna run. Get her. Get her. What is you doing? Got her. Come on. I don't know what she doing because she was just standing right there. I don't like this map. I don't. Hold on, let's get her. Okay, she wanna leave. She wanna leave. All the time. She wanna leave though. She wanna leave. I'm gonna let y'all do your own thing. Gotcha. Let's go, mamas. But what be making me mad? Sometimes they just be leaving. Like, just deal with it. Deal with it, babies. Oh, I just killed myself. Nah, she coming down here with me. She coming down here with me. We finna swing this out, baby girl. She coming down here with me. Yeah, I ain't finna just do this unless somebody come get her. No, now I'm swinging though. I might want to kill myself. Like, what? I don't like this now, but like, get on. Oh nah, mama, you trying to get me? You trying to get me? Let's get this love. Get her. Not me cursing her. I'm trying to get her. Oh, you lucky. You real lucky, cause I almost had her. Let's get her. I'm trying to. Oh, don't fall. Wait. Get the girl. Doggy for sale.